How to clear cache on Netflix. To clean cache on Netflix application, first of all, what you need to do is launch your settings on your device. Once you are on settings, there you will see general options. Simply tap on it. Then go through the iPhone storage and then search for Netflix application. Once you found it, simply tap on it. There you will see two options, offload app and delete app. Among them, choose offload app and then again hit on the upload app. Once you do offload app, you have to reinstall application from the App Store. In this way, you can easily clear cache on Netflix. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.